Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're working on the farm. Let's get started.
Well, Kitty, where are all the animals? All the animals are missing from all the pens. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Meow. 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 I know you want a treat, but you can't have a treat until you help me find all the animals. Meow. Oh, Kitty, come on back. You can help me. Let's go on a search for our farm animals. Meow. Meow. These darn animals keep running away. Gotta find the animals. Where could they be? I think I see an animal right over there. Mr. Black Sheep, come on out. Ba ba, black sheep, ba ba ba. Ba ba. We found the black sheep. Let me put you on my trailer. I'm sure there must be some more animals hiding around here. Let's keep looking. Oh, I see a goat. Goat, goat, Billy Goat Gruff, come on out of there. Oh, don't do that, goat. That's not nice. Meh, 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 meh. I think I see something over there. What could it be? I think it looks like my turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Nice turkey. I wonder where some more animals might be. La 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 la. Why, look! It's my bunny rabbit. Boing, 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 boing. Well, I've got 4 animals, lots more to find, but let's take these back to the barn. I see some more animals here. Let's go gather them up. Come on, animals. I see a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. We found a rooster. I think I see a neigh horse. Neigh horse. Neigh. Neigh. Neigh, neigh, neigh. We found the horse. I see something over there. It looks like a moo cow. Moo, moo, moo. This is easier than I thought it would be. I'm finding lots of animals. Hey, sheep, how did you get up there? Come on down. Silly sheep. Oh, I hear a funny noise. What's that noise? Ruff, 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 ruff. That doesn't look like a dog. Those are rabbits and piglets and chickens. Ruff, 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 ruff. Why do I hear a dog? And why is everyone going away so nicely? Oh, I see. Fido is leading him back to the barn. Good job, Fido.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.